Alright, so I can see my stream here. Alright, so I think I'm live. So let's see. Alright, so things are going crazy here. Alright, so I think I'm live. Alright, so hello everyone. I think you guys can hear me and see me as well. Alright. Okay, and welcome to my stream. Alright. And this is not my first time doing live, but yeah, this is in years. Alright, that's for sure. And yeah, like I will be sharing my AI journey, how I develop my business in the AI industry and things like that. So yeah, like let's get into it. Like I've been trying to do some YouTube live for a while now, but yeah, like I've been procrastinating. All right. So yeah, like that's how it is. So yeah, let's get into business. All right. So I've been working on a website for some time now. Not too long, like maybe it's been like 3 days. All right. And I'm going to do some quick things here. All right. So you guys know like what I'm doing, and if you need any help, you can definitely reach out and things like that. All right. So let me show you my AI usage credit, so you know like how much token I'm burning. All right. And my plan is to burn all my credits. All right. So I'm just in 1% for weekly models. Like today's like Saturday, and I'm already in 33% for usage credit. Yeah, like I'm already burning so much, but anyways, who cares, right? So for this website, like I will show you what's going on here, all right? But just to give you a quick context, this is a quick website job that I'm working on right now. And yeah, so I'm just gonna make some changes, all right? And also show me the changes on localhost. All right, so I know like you guys are saying things from the not from the beginning, all right, and I'm sorry, all right, because like I just hoping to do like live today, tomorrow, and the next day, and it didn't happen. So I was already into this project and things like that. But now I'm going to be show you how I connect the backend and things like that. All right. So yeah, like that's what I'm gonna do. You're in the middle. I'm sorry, but let me know if you have any questions. If you're saying this, I have got no idea. All right, just to be sure here, and also if you hear some background noise, I'm sorry. I live in a very crowded place, so that's how it is. All right. So what I'm working on at the moment is I'm working on this website, and it's gonna be a uh, mostly I'm working on the admin panel because the author, she wants to have the admin panel so she can upload photos and things like that and blog post. And right now things are moving well, but not as planned. All right all right so as you can see, it's done and not pushed. So let's check out the website really quickly. So so this is the website, and I'm gonna check what this context was. So monthly post. uh okay. Okay, so yeah. And okay, so where's the change? Okay, I'll send, because I'm just making this up. Can I send you a letter? Okay, I'll send you. Um, okay, so it didn't. Alright, so yeah, it changed. I'm sorry, I was looking things here. Alright, I'm just a stupid guy really doing something. But anyway, alright, so it worked. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna push the changes. Alright, because then I'm gonna do something on the backend. Alright, push the changes, and when it's done, I will be doing the crazy stuff. Alright, so I had to turn off my screen for a moment. Alright. Alright, so it's done. So now let's focus on the admin panel. Alright, because this is what I am trying to do. Alright, okay, so uh, because I'm just using Claude here, alright, as my uh, partner. Alright, so I'm just giving everything that I get from my client, and yeah, like things. Okay, alright, so possible to make things and make it. Alright, go. So right now I'm using Vercel and GitHub to host this website. And on Vercel, like I'm using admin panel. Alright, so the author, she can log in uh, and do her things. Alright, so let's see what I get from my guy. Alright, because like how I use Claude is my AI assistant, so it has mostly all of my context, what I'm doing, how things should go, and everything. Alright, so yeah, like it says we can do it. Alright, that's that. Alright, and So many things are going in the back end, and I'm kind of overwhelmed. Sorry, direction photos. Post body block is recommended. Alright, so let's go with the recommended settings. Alright, because I don't want to mess up with anything. Alright, because I'm just a crazy guy who doesn't know anything about coding but trying to build a website. Thanks to Claude, obviously. So yeah, let's see how far things goes, and yeah, let me see if I got any interactions. I'm not sure if the live is actually live. I'm not sure how things are moving forward here. Um, because I have to check when things cool down. All right. Okay. Okay. So let's go. Let's go. Let's go, everyone. Okay. All right. So this is going well. And also, the best thing about Claude is like I'm just checking if things are going on. And also, I'm just gonna show you I'm using Opus, not Fable at the moment. All right. So let me see how things are moving from here. Also, let me see how much usage token I am burning. Alright, so I'm at 9% for my current session. Alright, and we'll see how much we can burn during this live, because once I am at 100% or 80%, I'm just gonna stop this live. Alright, so that's the plan. And I'm sorry for the dogs. Alright. Alright, and the dogs are gone. Okay, now save function and blah blah blah. Things are going, things are moving. Okay, code, replies, step 3. The idea is very simple here, alright. To make the website as good as possible, as bug free as possible, and as much as security tight as possible. So yeah, like that's what I'm trying to do here really quickly. And also, like, I'm really scared with this kind of thing. Just to let you know. All right. So yeah, things are moving forward. All right. Right now. Mm. And also, you guys can let me know like how long you've been using Cloud Code and things like that. Which stage are you in? Like, if you are already working with clients, and how's your journey? with AI and things like that. And yeah, like everything related to that, because I do have a few videos on this channel. All right, but my problem is like I'm just the lazy bastard guy who doesn't want to do any work. All right, just to be just to let you know, like for me, like I almost barely do anything for myself. But when someone asks me to do things, then like I'm going all in. Like for myself, like um, I try to do things for, let's say, I record a video, editing that, like removing the background noise, and because like you already heard the dogs are barking. So yeah, like I just say like, "Phew, let's just go here and go all in. I'll just do the quick stream here on YouTube or whatever I'm wearing, like because like I'm wearing it crazy thing. The lighting is not perfect and things like that. So yeah, like and also the timing is also not perfect, right? Because it's only like for almost like 4 p.m. for me. All right, and yeah, so that's how it is. And also, guys, if you want to know more about myself, you can always ask me in the question. And yeah, like things are going well. All right, so as you can see, and then it says mobile because like for me, this website is very important for mobile friendly as well because most visitors they join from your mobile. All right, nowadays like not everyone is using a laptop to browse the internet because like mobile is really accessible and things like that. So yeah, like I'm just trying to make sure like whenever I'm working on a website project, I try to make sure the website looks really amazing on mobile phone rather than the web version, because the web version comes up clearly fine, no problem, because there are lots of space and things like that to move around the animations. But when you're working on the mobile phone, that's kind of tricky because like not every phone is the same, not every display is the same. Like that's crazy. The optimization is there and things like that. So yep, there. So let me quickly check how much credit I used so far. All right. So as you guys can see, I'm at 15% for my usage credit. All right, and I just give one command so far, not one, like two or maybe three. All right. So I made the change, and then I um, pushed the change, the latest one, with the lettering fix, and then now I'm making the admin panel change. So yeah, like these are the three things, and I'm almost and right now like it's showing like 16% usage. So yeah, like things are going good. All right, and yeah, like while I'm doing that, so let me tell you a quick thing about me because you may not know me. My name is Tanvir, and I'm from Bangladesh. I am the owner, or you can say founder, or whatever. All right, of Blue Core Automation. I build AI automations for businesses, and also I build website for businesses. So I mostly do both because right now I have more website clients than the automation clients, but I have built really cool automations as well for different businesses and things like that. So yeah, like things are going well, I'd say. All right. And I started my AI journey from this year. I started learning about AI and things like that. So yeah, as you can see, like the best thing about Claude Code is it always finds this bug. All right, and then it fixes them. So that's the best thing because like uh, if you are a developer, I don't know like how you guys do this because like looking for a small issue in the code is really, I don't like, it's not for me. All right, my head just starts spinning. All right, when I do this, so I just try to rely on AI on this matter. All right, and that's the best thing. Okay, the server is running. All right, still testing what is possible, and it's built. All right. Mm. All right, so let me see what's going on. All right. Okay, there is only one photo and the side of letting what's now? The two words and photo steps. The photo the photo is now step of sounds in order between negotiate steps drops and okay, stop is okay. Develop goes only. Okay, so all right, because like I have to push the changes in order to see how it works. All right, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. And stop the display capture because I don't want it to show you my GitHub for some reason. I don't know why. All right, all right, all right. And as you can see, round 10, but I pushed like more than 10 times for this website. So yeah, that's crazy. Okay, it's checking the memory and everything, looking good, nice and clean. All right. And also, uh, next time I'm doing live, I will show you my uh, Instagram automation tool that I use. Maybe I already showed in my videos, but anyways, all right. So let me go and check out the admin panel real quickly. Alright, so I'm not sure like if it is working fine or not. Okay, so I will just approve. So let's use Gemini. Alright, quickly here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a screenshot. Alright. And for my, because this is what I'm doing with Gemini. Alright, so if you guys are interested for my Americano, the demo vlog, alright, so this is what I added. Alright, so let's see what happens. Alright, alright. And I'm using Gemini. Hmm, that's interesting. This is connecting. Mm, yes, this is why I don't use Gemini that much. Alright. So I gave it the text, and then like I stopped it, and then the screenshot, and then it gave me this thing. Alright, and then like I pasted the same thing. So it gave me something. So let's use that. Category is gonna be travel. Your words and photos. Alright, let's say paragraph here, and then it will say headline, and then again I'll just add a photo here really quickly. Right. Mm. So I'm just doing some crazy shit here. Alright. And then another photo of this guy. Right, no, not this guy. Let's do this map. What? Okay, and then I will just use more paragraph and things like that, and then publish. And then if I go and view this, Andres, so let's see how it looks. All right, so we go to journal. Right, okay, okay, because I did two back-to-back images. All right, but what about this one? Okay, they added something here, really cool. But here's a quick thought. I added something, the vlog next to the image to show caption. Okay, cool. Okay, so if I go back to the journal section one more time, okay, it shows the image, that's fine, the title, okay, okay, it looks like this one, as well. All right, cool. So it's working. All right. Mm, working. What's the next task for us? Images. All right. All right. So because like what I'm trying to do is like I manage the website myself with the coding and things like that, the backend operation. But the author, she wants the access to upload things, her own things, and everything to this. So that's because like I cannot just give her the cloud code access and things like that because like she will be overwhelmed with how things work. All right, because I was also overwhelmed in the beginning. All right, so that's the idea here that I do it myself. All right, I make things okay. All right, so I made a mistake really quickly here on my YouTube, but no worries because like I don't know like what I have done with my life right now. All right, so let's forget about that for now. Let me see my usage. Create new albums too. Yes. Alright, only her new uploads. Okay, should I be also? Um, yeah, like, let's give her only access to new uploads, right? Not mess around with the current settings. And if I show you, I'm at 21% and 35% for my weekly and 21 for my daily, our current session. Alright, so let's get things going. Alright. And yes, I can see nobody still joined. All right. So, no worries because like I'm just doing things like the crazy way, not explaining anything to anyone. So, yeah, like that should have happened. But, okay, why my image is half cut off? Why? Why it's not showing the 100% of my settings? That's a very good question. All right, so let's not discuss about that. Because right now I don't have anything to do, so it's crazy. All right, And I don't know why in my OBS it's it's showing something crazy to me, but I don't know why. What do I confirm? Build a feature, blah blah blah. Alright, let's go. Let's get things moving so I can just finish this task right now. And I can take a look at my live myself. Alright. And then figure out what went wrong and how can I make my next live even better. Because this is just a test live, to be honest. Um, and I just wanted to show you like what I'm working on and things like that. Later on, I will try to build something more productive as well and show you things from the beginning, right? Okay, so let's get going. Let me take a look at my usage data really quickly. Okay, so I'm at 27%. So right now, like it's using Opus 5 and it launched, all right, yesterday. All right, and it's working just fine. I thought it's gonna be eating up my context like crazy, but it didn't, and I'm happy for that. But yeah, like it's hitting my context, all right, token somewhat more than I expected, but that's fine. So yep, let's see how things are moving, how things are going. And everything into it. Admin desk. All right, let's go. All right, things are moving. Claude is writing codes. That's really nice. And also, guys, if anyone is watching, right, you can ask me any question about AI and things like that. And also, if you guys can check me out, you can take a look at my website from the description, or maybe there is no description on this, but you will find the description and my website on other videos if you guys take a look, right? So yeah, like if you need any help using AI and you're trying to build any automations, feel free to reach out. And also you want me to maintenance your website and things like that, that can be done as well. So yeah, like let's see, because I'm just doing promotion as well for my business. Uh, that's crazy. All right. So let's go, let's go, let's go. Why things are not moving fast as I want. Gallery manager, photos. Okay. Okay. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, now the gallery manager is being built. All right. And also, guys, if anyone wants to know anything about my business, which is Blue Core Automation, let me show you my website real quickly. Right. So you guys can message me if you want, and I can build something for you as well if you need. So this is my website. Okay. All right, and if you're getting started, you can always get this free guide from me. All you have to do is your name and email. All right, and also you can speak with my AI assistant. All right, but it only is usable for this country. All right, and these are my testimonial on my 5 clients, and I built things, all this integration, like they were fine. All right, there's an about me with crazy smile, with the beard and everything. Right, and yeah, like that's it. And also you will find the free guide from here. That's nothing too much, right? And there's a blog section as well. So I try to automate the blog so it posts itself. Right, crazy me. Right. So yeah, like that's it. Let me see how things are going with the usage credit and things like that. So I'm at 34% at the moment, and I'm planning on upgrading to the $100 plan soon, because right now I'm already burning so much money for my business here, uh, that I don't want to take a risk going with the $100 plan at the moment. Okay, guys, let's drink some water. It's really important. All right, so grab some water as well and drink up. Okay, so the admin panel photo looks plain. It has been well. Select node, ready for the panel. Blah blah blah. Okay, okay. Let's go. So what I usually do is that um, I start working and then I start YouTube videos. I just keep looking at them like a stupid guy. But now, like, I just realized that, yeah, just let's just do a quick stream over there and see, because like I see people are doing that, so like why not? I'm just gonna be another guy. All right, everything looks created and things like that. So let me see how far I am into this. So I'm at 35, not too much. That's good. All right, compared to anything else. And then today I have to write my assignment on a different topic, obviously. Okay. So things are moving kind of slow, and on another tab, I'm seeing if anyone is here. Nope, nothing. Okay, stream health is going good. Things like that. Build pass. Okay. Okay. The photo tab in the admin. Okay, so just take a look at the local host. Okay, for some reason it's not working. I don't remember the password. So what I'm gonna do is just push the changes. Then I will just, because I already have the login. All right. And again, sorry for the talks. Because in my area, like, I guess there lives like mm, 15 to 20 dogs, and they just keep fighting one another. All right. So yeah, that's why things are crazy. Okay, things are live. So let me just test things out here really quickly. Okay, I can see the photos. Refresh the page. Okay, add new album. Let's say, I don't know, 2015. I don't know why. Create album, add photos. This is definitely for sure. And we just give every photo location before saving. Okay, okay. Okay, so let's see how it shows up here. All right, point one, three. All albums. This is how it looks like. Yep. So yeah, guys, this wraps up my work here. But when you do some work, because as you can see, this one was going here and there for a while. So sometime like you can do compact, you can do clear conversation for a fresh start. But I like to do compact because like it gives me the context and everything what was going on and things like that. So yeah, like it works perfectly fine for that. So yeah, I think that's gonna be it for today because let me take a look at my usage really quickly, and you guys were with me, so you know how much I used. And I used 37%, and luckily both of them at 37%. All right. So yeah, like it's doing its job. And also why you need to compact earlier, then the sign shows up here because like it gives you fresh context. The AI hallucinate less. when you are doing the compact earlier and you're giving it a fresh start, so things work perfectly, then it is doing the compact itself, right? So yeah, guys, so that's gonna be it for today. All right, so I will do more live, but I will be more organized and things like that. And also, I'm using my phone as my webcam, so you might be thinking like why I'm looking everywhere, because I have multiple camera, not camera, like multiple display and things like that. So yeah, like I'll go through my live one more time, and yeah, like I'll try to make it better next time, because right now I also saw something going on and it was not the best. So yeah, like I will try to make it better next time. All right. So till then, have a great day, and I will catch you guys tomorrow. And as you can see, it saved like 208k token. All right, that's huge. All right, guys, take care. Bye bye.